Hi all, this is Ellen with EGI Designs. Today I was mass producing some thank you cards and I wanted to go over how do I do the insides of cards because I know a lot of people have questions on what they should do inside the card. I always like to put some kind of design inside. I tend to do a panel that is about 1/2 inch smaller than whatever the card is. And I like to write on that and then put it in the card so in case I mess up then I don't mess up my entire card. Um, so it's works a little bit better for me. So today I was making these cute little thank you cards, and then I needed to make the the pieces for inside. So what I always like to do when I'm making an inside of a card is I pick a sentiment that goes with whatever the occasion is, and then I like to put on the side either flowers, butterflies, leaves, you know, whatever kind of goes with the theme of the card. So in this case, I really liked the sentiment in here, the thanks so very much. And this is the Simon Says Stamp Mix and Match Butterfly set. And then one of my favorite sets is the Simon Says Stamp, and that is the Vintage Garden. And I just love the flowers in this set, and I love the font. I love it, I love it. So what I did is for the horizontal panels, I did the thanks so very much, and then along the side here I used this big stamp just so I could kind of get a nice border on that edge there. And then for the vertical panels I did the same sentiment, and then this little flower here was the one right here, and I just turned it on its side and had it kind of coming in from the top. And what I like to do also is that I will do the sentiment darker and then do the whatever thing I'm going to add on the side in a lighter color or a color that matches the card, just to kind of tie it all together. So after I'm all set with that, and I have them all for my cards here, is I will write it out and then just put adhesive on the back and then put it into the card. And then you have a nice border around, and then I also put my little stamp on the back so everybody knows who put it together for them and that I'm thinking about them. So hopefully this is helpful for you. I'm just giving you an idea of the things that you can do on the inside of your card. I hope you have a great day. Take care until the next time. Bye-bye.